Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Hot Wheels, and I think this one is really cool. We got the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. Most people pronounce it Jesko, and that's how it's supposed to be pronounced, but a lot of people pronounce it Jesko, and that's completely fine too. But I'm going to pronounce it Jesko in this video. I unboxed the Metal Flake gray one. They call it Metal Flake Anthracite, but I unboxed this one earlier on the channel and I pronounced it Jesko. But this Koenigsegg Jesko is a supercar made by Koenigsegg, and this is a really cool vehicle. As soon as I saw the gray one, I really liked it, and I finally picked out the white one. This is from the Hot Wheels Torque Series, number 2 of 5 for 2021. You can see the card work there. It's 86 of 250. Got this on my Dollar General around a few weeks ago, maybe as much as a month ago. GTC 51's the number. This is from the L case. Hot Wheels Torque is powerful vehicles designed to start fast and finish strong. Alright, let's get this casting out of the packaging. Oh no. I've completely lost it. Gotta grab it somewhere to open it cleanly. But I didn't get that at all. Very cool car though. And great spinning wheels actually. They both spin independently. Both axles do. All 4 wheels spin independently. We got gray OH5, open hole 5-spoke wheels on this casting. Wow, look at the details. That is very sharp. Loving those wheels. I think there was a rare variation with MC5 wheels. Maybe they got them confused because MC5 wheels look very similar. And I'll actually, this is what the MC5 wheels look like versus the open hole 5-spoke. They look very similar, but they're actually quite different because the OH5 wheels are like, you can see through them. They actually have holes in them, but the MC5 is a solid wheel. Get that design right there. Pretty cool, pretty cool. You can see the headlights and the designs. You can see the gray, black, and green. Love the color combination. They call this a Metal Flake Arctic White. You can see the black on there, the spoiler and stuff. Beautiful casting. Interior. Can you see the interior? Black plastic base. And just a super awesome supercar. Here's a look at both of them. Which one do you like better? Comment down below. And I'll see you guys in the next video. I'll give you a nice shot of that. I don't want both of them in the thumbnail because I only opened one for this video. But thanks for tuning in, and please subscribe to the channel for more. Just unboxed a 2021 Hot Wheels 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko.